Hello, in front of me I've got Skull Candy Hesh 2. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with Android smartphone. In the beginning, let's turn on the headphones. In order to do it, tap and hold this button. If this is the first time of pairing for these headphones, they will automatically go to pairing mode. If it's not, while turning on, press and hold this button a little bit longer to enter pairing mode. Now on your smartphone, go to Bluetooth settings and select Hesh 2. Confirm, and it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.